Mama.
We're going to Disneyland. Every Saturdays, going to Disneyland, we always chow at Jollibee first. See you there.
How much?
Finally here. It's already 2 p.m. Ideally, you want to get here before 12, right? Kind of hesitated coming here, right? That's why we're kind of late.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs.
If you're a dad and you have a double stroller like us, make sure you get on the very last tram. That way you don't have to fold your strollers. Mama, you got a ticket? We're trying out to go to the Pirate's Lair. We've actually never been there yet, so we're about to go on it. On a raft, we're gonna go across. So we never actually been here before, but we found this cool tree house. Ooh. Get inside. Let's get inside.
Takut dia.
What's up, everyone? We're gonna ride some canoe.
There we go. Paddles inside the canoe. Straight up and down just like this. As we come into the dock, keep those hands on his fingers and paddles all the way inside.
Finally on it. Way was being a bad boy earlier, huh? He didn't want to get on.
Good job, guys. Great job. Please don't stop. We barely left.
Please don't stop. Nice. Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Saludos amigos, bienvenidos al desierto.
What's up, guys? One thing you gotta make sure when you're at the Disneyland, you gotta keep your bellies filled. Now we're going to the small world. The small
Thank you,
world.
Mama, for the Disneyland. Say,
Mama, for the Disneyland.
thank you, Papa, for the Disneyland.
At my wife's favorite ride, soaring. You can say?
Yeah, sorry.
Sus efectos personales en el compartimiento debajo del asiento.
This is our favorite
Para su
ride,
seguridad.
soaring. super tired. I'm super tired. She's not tired. She's working tonight, right?
Yeah. I
Okay.
work tonight.
Cool. Bye everyone. Bye Disneyland. Thanks.
Bye.
See you next Saturday.